I've just run these 12 volt cables. So the power is going to come from here. There's going to be a fuse box, the electrical, and there's going to be a switchboard up here. So I've got all the cables coming up here. So you can see I've marked them all, so I know what they are. This side here is the heater and the water pump on that side. The bed lift is on this side. That will be the power for the bed lift. And then at the front here is just two cables. One's for the bathroom to supply the fans and light, and the other one is for the fridge. The fridge is going to be just behind the passenger seat here. So that is a 12 volt fridge that will supply the power for that. This front here is going to be a shower and toilet. It's just going to come from about this seat here. The fridge is going to come up about here, and all the way to that side is going to be the bathroom up to this mark here. Wash up is going to be here, and on this side is going to be my cooking, my induction hot plate and microwave air fryer combination oven. It's going to sit here. So thank you for watching another episode of the van build. If this kind of content interests you, please consider liking and subscribing, and don't forget the notification bell. That way you'll be reminded every time we get a new video out.